Hello and welcome to the latest update from Ajayastro Maniguru, where we bring you the most advanced analysis on commodity markets. Today, we're focusing on the cotton markets in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Let's dive into the key highlights. As of September 10th, cotton prices in Karnataka's mandis have remained stable for the third consecutive day. The key factor behind this price stability is the limited buying activity from spinning mills, combined with a noticeable reduction in daily kapas arrivals. Spinning mills in Karnataka are adopting a cautious approach, buying cotton only to meet immediate requirements. This is due to minimal fluctuations in global cotton prices, leaving little incentive for aggressive purchasing. Furthermore, with new kapas arrivals expected in October and lower production anticipated because of reduced sowing this season, a significant drop in prices is unlikely. Cottonseed prices have also held steady in the region. In today's domestic futures market, kapas prices for the April 2025 futures contract on NCDEX recorded a slight increase of 10 rupees, bringing prices to 1,625 rupees per 20 kg. Daily kapas arrivals in Karnataka's mandis today were reported at 500 bales, a decline from the 1,000 bales seen on the previous trading day. This reduction in arrivals is contributing to the overall price stability in the region. Now shifting our focus to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, where cotton prices showed a mixed trend on September 10th. In Telangana, prices increased slightly, while in Andhra Pradesh, they remained largely stable. Traders have noted that the demand for cotton yarn, both locally and for export, is still weaker than expected. As a result, spinning mills are limiting their purchases to smaller quantities. However, despite the weaker demand, a significant drop in cotton prices is not anticipated. The Cotton Corporation of India, CCI, continues to maintain high selling prices, and Guinness are not under pressure to reduce their rates. Cottonseed prices also remain stable across both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. In the domestic futures market, the bullish trend continued, with kapas prices for the April 2025 futures contract on NCDEX rising by 10 rupees, reaching 1,625 rupees per 20 kg. Today, the daily kapas arrivals in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana totaled 1,600 bales. Andhra Pradesh recorded 1,500 bales, while Telangana received just 100 bales, both figures unchanged from the previous trading day. To sum up, while the cotton markets in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana are showing varied trends, the overall outlook remains stable. As we await the new kapas arrivals and monitor changes in demand from spinning mills, we'll continue to keep a close watch on price movements. Thanks for tuning into Ajayastro Maniguru. Stay updated with the latest analysis by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell. See you in the next update.